guess what I got today? Give you a minute. Kind of take a look around and take a good guess. Well, if you guess gaming PC, then you're totally right. So all the parts have finally come together, and right now I'm just running Steam. Now I'm going to give you a quick demonstration using BioShock Infinite to show just how great this is. So I'll show you when the game's ready. Oh, I am back, and now here we go. Now we're going to press any key. Main game. Continue game. And here we are brought into the deep, deep, deep depths of Colombia. So yeah, pretty much this gaming PC. We have a graphics card, all that good stuff. Headset, lights. Definitely love the lights. See how nice water is? It's amazing. So yeah, that's that part. When you come out here and exit big picture mode, and open a web browser, look at how fast this goes. This is a great computer. So thank you very much, my Nsggaming fans, and I will talk to you soon.